I got y'all on the daily chart, and as y'all can see, I didn't change my predictions up at all. I gave y'all more than enough warning. I just hope y'all listen to what I had to say, and because I literally explained it and proved everything to y'all, and I basically taught y'all the whole way through, and y'all see everything play out exactly like I said, because there's only a certain amount of options, because you cannot really play off a daily chart or weekly chart. I mean, it's just too obvious. It's too hard for them to hide that from at least once you understand how to read the charts, I'll say, in my type of way. Because I don't think people trade like I do, but I don't know. I think everybody should. But anyways, y'all clearly see what they did. So boom, previous video told you we don't hit that like 43,500 reverse, and we hit 43,444 then reverse. So like I said just beforehand, because they don't like to do the fives and the whole numbers, because they know like people like to have their stops up there. So that's why they cut it short and then reverse it. But like I already said, once you go below that 42,000, we're gonna start flying, and you can see the candlestick. We definitely made our way down, flying. But I can say for sure, this is most definitely the downtrend. There's no more options besides going down. Literally. I already explained to y'all why, and I'm going to do it again for the new ones. But anyways, I'm going to go a little closer. Let's go to the 4-hourly. Boom. Look at it. I told y'all the line was sitting here. Y'all already seen it. And I explained to y'all why there's a line, and boom. Straight flying. But yeah, like we already know, our next target is 30,000. But for those that might want to wait for the next support level for a little bounce, it'll be right here. You see that support, and that'll be right there around 37,500. But of course, it's gonna stop just before that, and then have a little bounce up. Probably recover half these candles right here, and then reverse right back down. Or it may not happen. Keep in mind that cyber attack they talking about, because they can literally just shoot this thing straight to 20,000 if they wanted to. But I don't want to say that. If you took my warning, you'd be straight anyways. You know what I mean? It don't really matter. But otherwise, y'all better start reconsidering, rethinking what y'all really trying to do in these markets. I told y'all, Bitcoin going down, the altcoins they're gonna be suffocating, and a lot of them ain't gonna survive. I'm just throw that out there too. A lot of them ain't gonna survive at all. We might get me personally, from what I seen, from looking at the coins, all the coins gonna lose around 65 to 75% of their value within the next month. I'm gonna say between the 4 to 6 weeks. That's a lot. I'm just throwing it out there. That's just me personally, from what I see when I'm looking at these charts. 65 to 75% of the value will be gone from where it's at right now. It's basically restarting, like literally restarting, recovering every candlestick it did in the last 2 years. And this is all planned. I explained that. I'm about to show y'all again for the new ones. I keep forgetting. So on the weekly chart, this is how I knew for a fact we going down. Look at that. Started extremely large M formation. Boom. On the right side of M, there's a extremely large head and shoulder formation. And then for the right shoulder of the head and shoulders is another head and shoulders formation forming, which makes me believe that's 1, 2, 3 head and shoulders. That makes me believe they're going to make a crazy candlestick, and 1 new week's coming. I'm pretty sure it's all going to happen in one day. Like I said, keep in mind that cyber attack, because this thing it's going to be a candle. And I believe right here, oh my God. But yeah, once we get around 30,000, man, yeah, it's going to look nasty, man. That's all I got to say. I'm not going to lie to you. It's going to look bad. But right here is our next support. Like I said, 20,000. That's our pre-resistance. It's going to be our next support level. But we can get a spike, a nasty spike, and probably recover the rest of these candles. I'm not going to lie to you. We could recover all these candles all the way down here. And then reverse all the way up. But y'all see what's happening around the world, man. It's just a great reset. That's what's really happening. They about to reset everything you can possibly think of, and of course, it's going to start with all the money and transferring everything into crypto. That is what they're doing. There it is. I just said it straight up. If y'all don't know some more truth, check my TikTok out though, man. But oh my god, it's about to be bad. But if y'all, at least y'all got my channel. See, I'm be real with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I can just tell y'all the good side all day long. You know what I mean? And wait for it to bounce up. But nah, I'm gonna tell you what it is. It's just the time to go ahead and grab your popcorn. But yeah, I don't really see this thing coming up anymore, and I wouldn't try anything with anything at any point in time because it is extremely dangerous. I'm just saying, because I don't expect this to actually really stop until we hit 30,000 in that general range. And it's not coming down here just to hit the 200 EMA on a daily. And I know that for a fact. I already mentioned this way back when. Okay, I already tapped at 200. And when I seen this, they came close but didn't want to tap 200. I already knew what they was trying to do. I already knew it was over right here. But yeah. Anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grow and y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.